Do a quick little video for you guys. This is a screw that I had made up, and it's basically an insert, and you screw that little guy in there and you weld them up. Now this is your first root pass, and I just try to go around everything, especially down at the bottom of the screw and everything, make sure it's all welded in there good. And then you go over the top of everything, make sure it's nice and filled in, make sure it's a little bit proud. And I'm just gonna say humbly, I am by no means a good welder. I've been blessed to spend a fair amount of time with some fantastic welders. I mean, some really good welders. But guys, just maybe if you're not sure what you're doing, stop and ask for help. Now, I'm not going to make fun of the person who did this, because first and foremost, I don't know anything about what they were doing or how they were trying to do it. I will give them credit for trying. There's a lot of people out there in the world that won't even do that.